Karibuni tena to yet another fantastic episode here at Kalohi's Kitchen. As always, it's an eternal thrill to have you guys join me for yet another video. And for today, I'm going to make a vegetable that I really love, and that's some risuza. Risuza is managu, as you have seen from the title, and it's one of my favorite traditional vegetables. And I'm going to show you how to make it very simple but very delicious, of course, with a Kalohi's Kitchen twist. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for joining me for yet another fantastic video. Your loyalty is much appreciated, and to my new watchers, I know 100% after this video I'm going to earn your subscription. That's it, guys. Let's go right in and let's make some super delicious risuza. Karibuni sana. As always, we begin with all the ingredients ready and set to go. And as always on this channel, we have to go into the whys and hows of everything, so that once you try this out, you really understand the reason for everything. The main ingredient for this recipe, as I've already explained, is my risuza. Risuza is managu, and I'm so happy that over the years it has gained so much popularity, especially in Nairobi. It's an extremely common vegetable in the western parts of the country, Western and Nyanza. Slowly it has gained popularity in Nairobi, and that's an amazing thing. I bought my risuza from Naivas. Naivas always has a wide variety of traditional vegetables, and they're always so fresh, so I usually gravitate towards buying my fresh vegetables from Naivas in the events that my mama mboga doesn't have. One bunch retailed for about 32 shillings. I bought 2 bunches. Like any vegetable, you know, you start with a huge quantity, then it shrinks down. So don't be intimidated by the seemingly huge quantity at the point of purchase, because once you start cooking, it significantly shrinks down. So the first thing I did after getting home was to pluck the leaves from the stem. That took a few minutes. After the leaves are plucked, we're now going to go ahead and give them a nice wash. After they're washed, we're going to place them into our sufuria, pour in some water, and along with the water, we're going to add a splash of munyumukereka. The munyumukereka is an optional ingredient for this recipe. However, for anyone who has grown up eating traditional vegetables, and for anyone truly who knows the deep and rich food culture of the western part of the country, you know that munyumukereka is something that has to be included in preparation of any traditional vegetable. Munyumukereka acts as a natural salt as well as a tenderizer, and I'm going to link in the description box various places you can get yours here in Nairobi. The blanching of the vegetables takes just a few minutes. It's not something that should be extended into the end of time. So just make sure you blanch your vegetables for 5 to 8 minutes. They're going to significantly shrink down. With that now very clear and perfectly explained, let's go right ahead and start the cooking. To my sufuria, I'm going to add some oil and some salt. Thereafter, I'm going to add my spring onion, red onion, and minced ginger, and allow this to cook until softened and fragrant. Beautifully fragrant and now nice and done. This is so amazing, and they really make my mbogas come alive. As I always emphasize, most vegetables don't quite need much. However, you need to play up on using nice fresh herbs to really enhance the natural inherent flavors that every vegetable really does have. So with this done, we're going to reach out for our fresh tomatoes, add them in, and allow them to cook until nice and softened. 4 ingredients in our sufuria, and now just 3 to go, and these are really paramount in terms of the main body ingredient, which is our risuza, and then 2 elements, which one is a flavorant and another one is the cream. The real cream for vegetables has the consistency of molten ice cream. I have linked in the description box where you can get authentic real cream here in Nairobi. Another ingredient that I've chose to add in our risuza, which I find pretty amazing and I also use in my kunde, is a bit of peanut butter. Not only will it add a nice nutty taste, but the natural oils contained in the peanut butter are much beneficial to the functioning of your cardiovascular system. And now that we're speaking of nutritional benefits, your risuza is packed with lots of vitamin C, an amazing amount of iron. It helps to maintain your blood sugar levels. It pumps your body with lots of zinc and also maintains the absolute perfect health of your cardiovascular system. It's an amazing vegetable to have. It's extremely delicious and it's good for your body. So Mimi, it's 10 across the board. Guys, I hope you are as excited for this recipe as I am excited to share it with you guys. Nimeshaonja, nimeshaumauma, and I can confidently tell you guys this is the most perfect, most delicious Risudza recipe you're ever going to try out. Msisahau, Risudza is Managu, very readily available, pretty popular across the country too. So guys, please put on your big girl panties and get into the best Risudza Managu recipe you're ever going to try out. This is now ready for tasting right here together. So acha tuchune ugali kidogo. Guys. Yani, you guys, 10 across the board. As I always say, simple does not mean boring, and this is a true testament to that statement. Just 6 ingredients, but you can taste the fullness of your Risudza. But the flavors we used also complement that exact flavor. You can taste the herbiness of our 2 onions. You can taste the nice creaminess of the cream, the fullness of the peanuts, and the nice warmth of the ginger as well. It's absolutely perfect. It unleashes a party in your mouth, and it's a flavor you're really going to enjoy. I chose to serve my creamy Risudza with some ugali. I wanted to choose plantain, but my ancestors told me, my dear, it has to be ugali. So I heeded the call. And to add on to that, I also served it with some mango barbecue pork ribs, which I posted in February. If you're yet to try out that recipe, please get on it. It's equally as explosive. And together, this is the perfect plateful, and I can't wait for my supper. As always, the exact recipe quantities are listed on my blog, link on the description box. I truly can't wait for you guys to try out this recipe, and once you do, remember to snap a tiny picture and tag me on any social media platform. It's a true joy for me to see your masterpieces, and I would love to show you off as well. Give this video a like so that it's easy for you to reference back to it in the future, and share it with all your friends and family because they also deserve to eat something super yummy. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.